How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of razor bumps on your neck step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So for razor bumps, you guys, a way to get rid of them is to get a warm compress, not hot, but warm, and hold it on the razor bumps for exactly 5 minutes. After that, put it underneath warm water again, hold for another 5 minutes. Do this for about 3 to 4 times, so about 15 to 20 minutes. This will help to get rid of the inflammation, and it's going to help to soften the skin, and most of the razor bumps should go away. They might not all go away, but if you do this a couple of times during the day, then you should notice within a day or two, they'll be completely gone. Again, those razor bumps are inflammation. You normally get them from 1, shaving without shaving cream or not enough shaving cream, 2, not softening the skin before you shave. It's always good to soak your skin with warm water or go for like a shower for 5-10 minutes just to soften the skin up. It makes shaving easier. It makes it easier on your skin. The third thing is you could have been shaving up. Always shave down. Shave with the grain of the hair, which is down. Anytime you shave up, you get razor bumps, you can get ingrown hairs. Sometimes to get the cleanest shave, though, you have to shave up. If you want to do that, you can. Just keep in mind, you are more likely to get razor bumps. One of the main things, too, is when you are done shaving, apply a moisturizer, or more importantly, apply an aftershave to your neck. That is super, super important. That will help to get rid of any of the razor bumps that will develop. So you do those things that I mentioned, you shouldn't get them next time. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.